Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Turnart electronic dartboard. 13-inch illuminated segments, light-based games, electric dartboard for adults and kids if the adults are at the scene. It's tested touch segment for enhanced durability and professionals with scoring. It's on the market in blue, in green, and in purple available. We have neon lightning, makes the party fun here. The light-based games make things so much more interesting, especially in the dark. It's like playing Simon, but with plastic darts. Ha ha ha. Buying the right dartboard to keep our family or friends entertained. And this is the right choice here, the Turnart electronic dartboard. Tons of fun games. 48 games with 315 variations, including 17 exclusive light-based games with optional moving target games. It distinguishes between a leader and a follower. It just looks and feels awesome. This is a great addition to any game room, or RAC rooms, or basement, or garage. The sleek electronic dartboard makes us forget our even playing in our basement. And 8-player multiplayer. We get as many people on the board as possible so nobody is left out. The best part is that it also features automatic voice announcement, which gives each game of darts a more organized, competitive-like feeling. And it looks really cool, as you can see. We have 17 signature lightning games, light-up segments, cyber player mode, as we like. The Turnart innovative illuminated dartboard with 48 games and 315 variations here. This brings to the light an entirely new dimensions of dart gaming. With the Turnart illuminated dartboard, this innovative new dartboard features extra bright LED lights that shine through the segments for enhanced gameplay, including exclusive games that really on the new 𝐸𝐿 light system. The 𝐸𝐿 features a 13-inch target face constructed from translucent target tested touch nylon for upgraded durability. With 48 games and 350 variations, we will find ourselves exploring new ways to play. No one needs to sit on the sideline during dart night, as the Turnart 𝐸𝐿 supports up to 8 players games with various team combinations. We can get the darts flying right out of the box, with 6 included starter darts, mounting hardware, and, of course, nice games. 11.3mm thick segments reduce the bounce outs. The target is tested. Touch segments stand up heavy use and withstand our touches throws again and again. We have a durable thermoplastic molded segments. This offers a supreme durability for fast gaming experience. Designed with thick, fully assembled darts. Easy control the panel provides more fun experience. The LCD bright display can auto scoring. We do not need to remembering the scores anymore. 5 levels for us to choose when we are playing against the computer. Beginner, intermediate, advanced, expert, even professional is possible. And 4 volume levels. Included mute mode. Adjustable for different scenes. Powered by 1.5 volt AA LR6 batteries or a 1 meter AC adapter. Up to 8-player multiplayer modes, and choose everyone can enjoy the dart game. The auto power down function saves battery life after the game. We have a lot of light-up segments. Illuminated dashboard segments provides a fresh and invigorating darting experience with brand new games while enhancing the classic favorites. And we have built-in dart storage as we like. The 6 built-in dart placing holes can store the 6 fully assembled darts. And motion integrated light. games, including 48 games and 350 various for tones or ways to play, including 70 exclusive light-based games with optional moving target games. And we have 4 layers of protection. Undamaged up to us. 6 soft tip darts are included. Precisely made barrels by high-tech CNC manufacturing with gnarts and deep cuts all the way through, providing a comfortable, long-lasting firm grip. And delicate darts gift set here. Woo! This is possible to play for nearly everybody out there. It needs to be installed at the space to the wall or a door with a length of 3 meters and a width of 1 meter at least. As the attachment, you have to look that it is in the dimensions. You fix it. You fix the first screw at 190.5 centimeter above the floor until the screw head is 1 centimeter away from the wall, and another screw is fixed at 155.8 centimeters away from the floor and perpendicular to the first screw. Then, the 2 keyholes on the back of the dashboard are installed on the 2 screws on the wall. Job's done. Assembling yeah. We use the original package adapter, AC adapter, to power on the device. We use our finger lightly press the inner bullseye of the dashboard. The darts boards will light and flash in circles, which means we have completed Try Me mode settings. Oh yeah! And then, if the dartboard's LED can't be flashed, in the second step, we take out the adapter for 3 seconds and then supply the power again, and then it will work really. Then, the power installation, for example. The dartboard is designed to be powered by 1.5 AA batteries. The battery compartment can be opened from the back to install the batteries if you like. To conserve the batteries, this dartboard is equipped with an auto power off mode. Then we can start and have fun with it. Oh yeah, this is really cool, and we have a lot of awesome settings there. We have a little computer built in. We have an on and off button for press and hold to turn on or off the dartboard. The volume, we press and adjust the volume level. And the handicap and quick cricket button, this is a dual function key. We use it for quick cricket during game selection and go to the cricket game directly. We use it during the player selection and it goes to handicap settings page. And we have a left button and a right button. For this we use to scroll during the selection. And an enter, of course, this is to enter the mode. And miss and reset is a dual function key too. We press it during the game to record the missed dart. For example, we press and hold at any time, it will reset the dartboard to game selection page. And the bounce out. We press it during the game to record the bounce dart. And next player button, we press it during the game to skip the player's round and the next player is up. And then we see the player score display. It shows the player's total score. It will share with another player if the game is played with more than 4 people, okay? And player's number display, it just shows the queue and player number. In and out indicator shows the in and out settings for queue and game. Individual dart score shows each dart score of the queue and turn. And the dart out suggestion in 01 games as displayed here as well too. And TMP score display. This shows the total score of the queue and turn. A cricket score display shows the cricket score each player in the cricket game. And then we can go to it and have fun. So many games in it. For example, 301, 501, 601, 701, 801, 901. Oh boy, yeah, these are a big bunch of possibilities. But there's more. 301 League, 501 League, 601 League, 701 League, 801 League, 901 League, and cricket. No score cricket, cut throat cricket, killer cricket, low pitch cricket, English cricket, scram cricket, single only cricket, double only cricket, triple only cricket, random cricket, hidden cricket, count up, light up mode 2, color shot 1, 2, light up warfare, and survivor. And there is more. Helicopter game, speed wheel, lineup, bowling, football, baseball, golf, round the clock, Shanghai, half it, big six, bingo, shootout, line lives, double down, and shooting one and shooting two. These are all the games which you can play here on that dart system. That's a lot of playable, awesome stuff with this Turnart electronic dartboard. 13-inch illuminated segment light-based games. This is an electric dartboard for adults and all other people which can control a dart real proper. It's tested touch segment for enhanced durability and professionals out there with scoring computer and light illumination. I like it really much. The sound is cool. The darts are really good in your hand. The shape is really good. And it makes so much fun to play with that dartboard here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!